Welcome back everyone. So in the last video we were discussing Splunk enterprise application installation, and in this video we are going to discuss about Splunk data ingestion. So Splunk can support multiple data types, includes structured, semi-structured and unstructured data, and you can ingest the data into Splunk in many ways, but Splunk UI support only these three methods. One is you can upload the file directly into the Splunk UI. The next one is you can monitor files and directories on the Splunk instance. And the third one is you can forward the data from the forwarder. So in this video, we are going to talk about the direct file upload just to keep it simple. So for that, you have to log into the Splunk UI, then go to settings, then click the add data. It will navigate to this page. Okay, just scroll down a little bit. So by clicking this upload button, you can upload the file. So then you have to select the file. So before that, I have created the file. So this is my content of the file. So here I have three entries. This is nothing but user and their login status along with the timestamp. Let us upload this file. So I'm just selecting and loading this file. Okay, the file uploaded successfully. Click next. So the next one is setting the source type. The source type has been recognized automatically. So we have uploaded the JSON file. So the source type is JSON. And by expanding this advanced setting, you can see the parsing configuration, line merge enabled, and category structured, etc. etc. Here you can see the preview of the data. Then click next. So the third step is the input setting. So here you have to give the host field value. Let's say the host is host-01, and then you have to create the index. If you are not creating the index, it will go to the default index, that is main, and in our case let us create a new index. So I'm going to give index name as idx user login status. I'm not going to touch these default values. Okay, just we gave the name of the index, and I'm going to click the save button. About the step 3, let us review our changes. So we upload the file, that is the input type, and the file name is dummy.json, which is our name of the file. Here you could see, and the source type is JSON. Yes, that is, and host name is host01, and index name is idx user login status. Okay, we are good to go. Let us submit our request. Okay, our file has been uploaded successfully. Let us go ahead and start searching. Here you go. So you see the SPL query, it has constructed automatically. Source is dummy.json and host is source01 and index is idx user login status. And if you scroll down, you can see the content of the file. So we uploaded the 3 items, and 3 items are visible, and you can do the syntax highlighted set, and here you can adjust the time range. So now it is set to all time. You can adjust the time range based on your use case. For example, if you want to see only the 30 minutes window data, you can select this 30 minutes, and then you can see your results. Yep, it came. So the one more thing is you can see your index that you created during the process. So for that, what you have to do is just go and click the settings. Under the data, you could see the indexes. Click that. and here you can filter your index. Our index name is idx. Use login. Yep. So this is the index we created. So current size is 1 MB and maximum we can store up to 500 GB. So currently we have only 3 items. It has created 3 minutes ago, and some other metadata. And so if you want, you can delete or disable the index. If you delete the index, all data will be gone. So I would like to delete the index. So clicking this delete button and just deleting the index. That's it. The index has been deleted. So if you go and trigger our search again, it will not show any data. See all your search history under the search history tab. All your searches will be stored here, and here also you can filter it by the time range. So this is our lost search. Just clicking this add to search button, so it will be in the console running this query. No events, 0 events. So because we deleted the index, so does not have any data. That's all about this video. Hope you have learned about the Splunk data ingestion. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I'll try to address this. Thank you so much.